Be lovable children, always Jello, ikaw na si Mami. First time, Jello is his first time na kanyang pagkipabay sa lagi, kapagmahal, at capture niya lahat ng audience level ng YouTube.
Dami ko na
All the best.
Thank you, Ate Susan.
Sorry. Ito nila.
Okay. So, of course, this will not be complete unless if Elaine is beautiful, the father is also wonderful and gorgeous guy. Of course, Elaine will not be here without this lady. Isn't it? So let us all welcome the lovely mother of Elaine, no other than Mrs. Annalisa Jaico Martinez. Okay. Okay ba dyan? Wala naman sabi kasi tukompre na yung lahat eh.
Masasabi ko lang, nandito si Mama. Para alam mo, na love ka namin. Uy, ang ating I love you.
Yan. Lampakan naman natin si Mami at si Daddy. Daddy Rote, dito ka. Yan, sabi kayo ni Mami Lizel. Yan. Kasi kailangan ng picture. So, ayan, dito si Mami Lizel, si Daddy Rote.